Recently, I purchased a power meter on Amazon. It's the cheapest one I could find for $10. See over here, it has a function button, cost, reset, up and down. Based on the manual, there are 7 screens. You'll see over here. It starts off with this first screen, which tells you how much wattage is being used at the current time, followed by how much energy is being used in terms of kilowatt hours. And that takes us to the third screen, which is voltage. Fourth screen, I think, is amperes. Fifth and sixth is just for record purposes, tells you the low amount of watts and high amount of watts. And finally, the last one is your overload screen. I guess you can set your price also for price per kilowatt, probably. There's some more stuff in the back over here talking about the other instructions. I'm just going to go with talking about the overall instructions of using this. Once you plug it in, you'll just use the function button to go through it, to scroll through the different screens. Again, as mentioned, there's 7 screens, which I'll show you. This is the part number. You'll find this listed on different listings in Amazon, but they're the same power meter. Up and down for adjusting some stuff. The screen will light up, and then after a few minutes it'll turn off when it's idle. To get the screen to turn back on, you can press the up button. You could also press the function button, but up button is probably the easiest way to get the screen back on. Lastly is it doesn't forget your readings, so as it's measuring, it's going to tell you how much time has elapsed. And so when you unplug everything, you'll still have it recorded on here. The way to erase that information is you have to press the reset button. And this device comes with these 2 pin knobs that you just push in here. I know this works when it's plugged in. When it's plugged into this side over here, if you press the reset button over here, it'll instantly reset it. You don't have to hold it for that long. So I'll show you that. Let's go plug this in, and I'll show you it being plugged to something else. So I plugged it in the back.